Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best side-for-solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Cabalok 2PC solar panel side mounting brackets. These brackets are designed for versatility, making them ideal for mounting solar panels on roofs, camper vans, caravans, lorries, boats, and even yachts. The lightweight ABS material ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. The waterproof design is especially noteworthy, ensuring reliable performance even in rainy or humid conditions. The build quality of the Cabalok brackets is durable yet simple, providing an easy and effective method to install solar panels without compromising on structural integrity. Measuring over 21 inches in length, these brackets offer a robust mounting solution for solar panels on flat surfaces, including sheds, garages, and other buildings. For users looking for a straightforward installation process, Cabalok delivers with its lightweight yet sturdy design. The primary downside here is the lack of advanced features like adjustable angles or compatibility with specific solar panel systems. However, if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for mounting panels in varied environments, this product is a solid choice. It's ideal for users who need a dependable mounting solution for flat surfaces in marine, RV, or residential settings. The limited customer reviews, though high-rated, leave some room for uncertainty in terms of long-term reliability. Coming in at number 4 is the Bouge RV Flexible Solar Panel Waterproof Butyl Rubber Tape. Designed specifically for flexible solar panels, this tape is both versatile and effective. With a length of 16.4 feet and a width of 3.98 inches, it's perfect for installing flexible solar panels on smooth surfaces like RV rooftops or boats. The strong adhesion ensures the panels stay securely mounted, while its corrosion-resistant and waterproof properties guarantee long-lasting performance in varied weather conditions. The installation process is straightforward. You simply clean the surface and the panel, cut the tape to size, and adhere it to the back of the panel before mounting it in place. What sets this product apart is its compatibility with most flexible solar panels in the market, making it a great option for users who prioritize ease of installation. However, the adhesive strength can be a double-edged sword. If you need to remove the panel later, you'll need to use alcohol or diesel to deal with potential residue. While Bouge RV's tape is excellent for secure and waterproof installations, it's not ideal for users looking for non-permanent mounting solutions. Additionally, it doesn't offer adjustable features or compatibility with rigid panels. In conclusion, this product is best suited for users who are looking for a reliable way to mount flexible solar panels on smooth surfaces without compromising on weather resistance. At number 3, we have the Renogy Corner Bracket Solar Panel Roof Drill-Free Mount, a standout product for users seeking an easy, drill-free installation solution. This bracket is compatible with most aluminum-framed solar panels, making it a versatile choice for RVs, boats, and flat building surfaces. Made of UV-resistant ABS plastic, it's lightweight, recyclable, and highly durable, ensuring longevity even under harsh weather conditions. The design prioritizes ease of installation, as it eliminates the need for drilling, reducing the risk of potential roof leaks. With strong sign support, it's suitable for both small and large solar panels, making it a flexible option for various setups. Additionally, its non-corrosive construction ensures that it holds up well over time, even in challenging environments. Measuring 5.9 by 5.9 inches, the brackets are compact enough for streamlined installation. On the downside, this product might not be the best option for ultra-flexible or lightweight panels that require adhesive mounting solutions. However, for users looking for a reliable, affordable, and eco-friendly mounting option, the Renogy Corner Brackets deliver excellent value. They're particularly ideal for RV and marine enthusiasts who want a quick, dependable installation process without compromising durability. Ranked number 2 is the Powdequa Solar Panel for Ring Cameras, a specialized solution for powering ring spotlight and stick-up outdoor cam batteries. With a 6-volt 4-watt output and fast charging capabilities, this solar panel is perfect for keeping your ring cameras operational year-round. Its 360-degree rotatable mount and 10-foot cable make it easy to maximize sunlight exposure, even in less than ideal setups. One of the standout features of this product is its compatibility with various ring camera models, including second and third generation stick-up cams and Pro versions. The waterproof design ensures reliable performance in rainy or windy conditions, while the included USB-C and barrel plug adapters add to its versatility. Installation is simple. Secure the panel with screws, adjust the mount for optimal sunlight, and you're good to go. While this solar panel excels at its specific purpose, it's not suitable for general solar panel applications. If you're looking for a product to power larger systems or non-ring devices, this isn't the right fit. However, for ring camera users who need a reliable power source, the Powdequa solar panel is an excellent choice that delivers both functionality and convenience. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt, a versatile and high-performing solution for charging and maintaining 12-volt batteries. Featuring monocrystalline A+ solar cells with an impressive efficiency of 21% to 30%, this solar panel delivers reliable power for a wide range of applications, including RVs, boats, cars, motorcycles, and more. The kit includes everything you need: a solar panel, upgraded controller, adjustable mounting bracket, and all necessary cables and clips. The build quality is exceptional, with a low-iron tempered glass surface and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame that make the panel waterproof and rust-proof. Capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions like sandstorms, blizzards, and hail, it's built to last up to 25 years. The intelligent 3-stage charging controller prevents overcharging, short circuits, and other battery issues, ensuring optimal performance without drawing power from the battery itself. The adjustable mounting bracket allows you to easily optimize the panel's angle to capture maximum sunlight. While the Solperk kit is slightly more complex to install compared to adhesive-based solutions, its robust design and advanced features make it the best option for users seeking a long-term, reliable solar charging solution. It's perfect for anyone looking to maintain battery health across a variety of vehicles and devices, making it the ultimate pick for this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.